Welcome to Cryptos Gambler. Nothing here is financial advice. Let's get started. What could push Bitcoin price to a staggering $150K? In the swirling world of cryptocurrency, that's the question on everyone's lips. It's a bold prediction, made by none other than Fundstrat's head of research, Thomas Lee. But what's behind this potential surge? Three factors, according to Lee: a surge in demand driven by new Bitcoin ETFs, the upcoming Bitcoin halving event, and potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. All intriguing elements that could stir the pot. Join us as we delve into these three factors and understand why Bitcoin could potentially triple its value this year. First, let's talk about Bitcoin ETFs and their impact on demand. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are financial products that track the value of Bitcoin, allowing investors to buy into the cryptocurrency without actually owning it. This eliminates the complexities of digital wallets and private keys, making it easier for traditional investors to jump on the Bitcoin bandwagon. The growth of Bitcoin ETFs has been phenomenal. More and more investors are seeing the benefit of these financial products as they offer a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movement without the risks associated with direct ownership. Bitcoin ETFs can also attract institutional investors and high net worth individuals. These entities are often more risk-averse and prefer the regulated environment of ETFs to the Wild West of cryptocurrency exchanges. This increased demand from new players can significantly drive up the price of Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin ETFs can play a significant role in driving Bitcoin's price up, but that's not all. Next on our list is the Bitcoin halving event. Are you wondering what this is all about? Well, Bitcoin halving is a process designed into the Bitcoin protocol to control inflation. It occurs approximately every 4 years, or after 210,000 blocks have been mined, and it effectively halves the reward that miners receive for validating transactions. This halving event has significant effects on Bitcoin's supply and demand dynamics. It reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created and the number of Bitcoins entering circulation. This scarcity can create an uptick in demand, leading to potential price increases. In fact, historical patterns show us that Bitcoin prices have surged following each of the previous halving events. The upcoming Bitcoin halving is set to occur in April 2024. Could this event be the catalyst that pushes Bitcoin to new heights? Historically, Bitcoin halving events have led to substantial price increases. Could the upcoming event push Bitcoin to $150K? It's a possibility. Last but not least, we have potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Now, this may sound a bit technical, but stick with me. You see, when the Federal Reserve, or the Fed, as it's popularly known, decides to cut interest rates, it's essentially making borrowing cheaper. This stimulates economic activity, as businesses and individuals are more inclined to borrow and invest. Now, you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with Bitcoin? Well, when the economy is buzzing, there's a greater demand for assets across the board. And yes, that includes Bitcoin. Moreover, when traditional investments like bonds offer low returns due to these interest rate cuts, investors often look for alternative assets to park their money. And Bitcoin, with its potential for high returns, becomes an attractive option. So, if the Federal Reserve does decide to slash those interest rates, we could see a surge in demand for Bitcoin, potentially pushing its price higher. With these three factors in play, it seems $150,000 Bitcoin isn't as far-fetched as it might initially appear. In conclusion, Bitcoin's journey to $150K is paved with possibilities. Its potential rise is supported by three key factors. First, the increased demand driven by new Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, offering a more accessible way for investors to enter the crypto market. Second, the upcoming Bitcoin halving event in April this year, an event that historically has led to significant price hikes. Lastly, potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, making Bitcoin an attractive alternative investment. Will Bitcoin reach $150K? Only time will tell. But one thing's for certain, it's going to be an exciting ride. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any crypto questions or anything crypto related, comment below. Please beware of low-life scammers in the comment sections, either impersonating me or anyone and trying to get you off the YouTube platform for anything. Have a great day.